A few weeks ago, we had dinner in Bad Bird and they already have a menu outside so you can already choose before entering. So it's gonna be our first time to eat here, so we'll check out the food. Basically what we ordered is just a set meal for one, and then we'll let you know how the food is here. So here's their full menu. You can just pause it to check all the food options. Here are the condiments. And I ordered the umami fried chicken set. It already comes with two sides. I chose macaroni and side salad, and then gravy for the sauce and rice. And then I chose the safe and spicy options to mix up the chicken flavors. And then Ashley got the Crispers chicken set. Same set of sides, and she actually chose ranch, but they just gave it as additional for us. Let's eat! So let's try the salad first. Caesar? Is it Caesar salad?
I think so.
French Caesar salad. The dressing is good. Let's try that. Macaroni. Kaya. Hindi naman kasi talaga ako fan ng macaroni salad to begin with. Gravy. Gravy. Ang sarap ng gravy. I'll try the ranch naman. Sarap din ng ranch. Oh my God. Yung umami fried chicken na yung i-judge natin. This is the safe. So I'll try it first without any sauce. Crispy and very umami talaga. Ang sarap. O baka gutom na ako. Kasi gabi na. Pero masarap. Let's try naman the spicy. So the spicy one is yung Thai part. So ayan. Let's see kung gano'n siya ka-spicy. Kaya ba natin? Ka-spicy natin. May spice. Not too much. Well, at least for me kasi I have a high tolerance for spice. Fairness. Malasa hanggang sa loob ng spice. But it's not too much. I was thinking kasi baka sobrang spicy na. But it's not too much. So I think you can handle this. Or those na masyadong mahilig sa spicy can handle this. Pero syempre, you can go with a safe one. Para hindi na kayo mag-worry. My verdict, the food is a bit on the pricey side, but if you want to try something that's not your usual fast food fried chicken, go ahead and try Bad Bird here at SM Megamall 3rd floor. Bye guys!